I'm going to show you how to use cupping for cellulite and also use it with a cellulite oil treatment so you can get rid of those annoying divots and dimples for good. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Linda with bodiesafterbabies.com. I have 2 kids and lost 54 pounds, and now I'm helping mummies all over the world to fit back into their jeans, get their sexy back, and find a life of happy. Most of us have come to believe that we have cellulite when we are overweight, but there are many women who are very thin and still struggle with that cellulite. So what the heck is the deal? The secret lies in something called fascia. You can think of fascia like fishnet stockings. Have you ever seen chicken and when you peel back the skin, there's that white stringy kind of stuff? That's fascia. It's a layer that goes above the muscle, and basically when it gets stuck, it goes onto and sticks onto the muscle, and then your fat pokes up. So you get these little bumps everywhere. Disgusting cellulite. There are different levels and stages of cellulite, and you can tell the health of your skin by pinching it. If you can see here, like I can pinch the skin on my arm, but when I show you later, if I pinch my legs, you can't get that, and that's an indicator of unhealthy fascia. So here's what you can use and the method I use to get rid of that cellulite. It's totally achievable. I got this in the mail from Cheeky Physique. They are called Cheeky Cups, and it's a cellulite smoothing cupping massage treatment, and I partnered with Cheeky Physique on this video. They also sent me a product called Contour Sleek, and it's a cellulite firming body oil. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these 2 things together to make a lethal combo, and I'm going to show you how to do it. That cellulite doesn't have a hope, and you know what. So once I open the box, it comes in this little cute bag, this travel bag. There are 2 cups. So there's a medium one and a small one. The medium one is for larger areas like your butt and your legs. And then the smaller one you can use like on your arms or on your stomach. And with this little carry bag, I think it's really great that I can take it on vacation, because you'll want to use this when you go out, you know, to put your bathing suit on, and that's so much fun. I purposely haven't done any cupping in a while so that you can see the differences. And I will be doing another follow-up video so that you can see what it looks like after a few weeks. Here is a before and after picture from using the Cheeky Cups. So let's get demoing it. So I'll show you some pictures right here that you can see. I have issues right on the mid-thigh. You can't see it from this, I'm sure, but it has little lumps all over the place, and hopefully that the picture actually shows you what it actually looks like. And I also have some weird lumpy things going on in here, in the inner thighs and the back, and my butt's super lumpy, but you guys are not going to see that today. Earlier I was talking about the pinch test, and I showed you on my arm, but you can see like I cannot grab the skin on at all. Like, that's what I mean by fascial adhesions, and it basically is saying that I'm not very healthy in my legs. A lot of athletes will have this. I mean, everybody will, but you can see like I'm having a hard time. Maybe right here I could pinch just a teensy bit, but overall I can't. The back is a little bit easier, but that just shows you that I have a lot of fascial adhesions. Now, if you're somebody who has lost a lot of weight, but you're finding that nothing seems to work and your legs still kind of seem to be chunky, or, you know, like a lot of cellulite, that is what happened to me, and I'm still going through it. I did stop for a while on the cupping. I really wanted to show you the difference. So here's how you do it. First, warm up in a shower, or you can use a magic bag, but you want to basically get your body warmed up, increase that circulation. You can prep your skin also by dry brushing before or in the shower. I have this pink and white thing that I can use on my legs. I'll give you a link to that below and also show you the picture of it. And that's really nice. You just massage yourself in the shower and prep again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of this Contour Sleek and I'm gonna just put a little bit on my leg. And right away I like it. It's not too oily, but it's nice. You can use it by itself, and it's supposed to have the anti-cellulite properties, but I always do this as a double threat because it just heightens your effect. So once you have the oil on, you're just going to put this on your leg, and you're going to push down with your thumb on the top. I right away like this better than the other one because the other one you have to squeeze the crap out of it. So then all you do is you're just gonna grab it and you're just gonna go back and forth. Now already I feel it. If you're just starting out, you don't wanna go too hard on the pressure because this will probably hurt. Like this actually feels a little bit, because I don't have that healthy fascia, it feels a little rough. So what I could do is I just take it off and put it back on and just do like a baby tap. And then you just go back and forth. Really, really simple. It feels really good. Obviously, I didn't get the oil all over my leg, but you just rub it in. And you can do this at night. I do this at nighttime when I'm watching TV and just, you know, to chill out. And you just go back and forth. You can do it 3 to 6 minutes aside. And if the suction comes off, you just push it back off. But that's just from me pulling a little bit too much. You want to make sure you're gliding and not pulling up. And then you just go back and forth. And you can go this way as well. And what it does is it's gonna lift up that fascia and pull it off of that muscle. Once you keep doing this for a few weeks, you'll start to see a difference. Like I have crazy bumps in here and you probably can't see it in this light, but I do. And even just to put it down, you might be able to. And then I'll put more on the inside. Now you can go everywhere with this. You can go all over with this. You start off small and then you go harder, you know, more suction. And you might find that you have a little bit of bruising. Now don't freak out if you have a little bit of bruising. It just means that the blood is coming to the surface and you don't have that great of circulation. So the little bit of bruising is okay. It's just your body saying, hey, I got you, I'm getting rid of that cellulite. And that's it, you just go back and forth. This feels like on some of the tough spots, it almost feels like a snake bite, but in a good way. And I mean snake bite, you remember when like your kids and somebody grabs your arm and they twist it and it feels like that pulling, it's like that. So you just wanna do it like that, really, really gentle and go around. And you can go on the back of your legs, your inner thigh, you can go on your butt, you can go on your legs. And then once you're done doing that, you just want to just lightly flush it, they call it, and you just go like this towards your heart. Just nice and easy. But you can do it 5 minutes, 3 to 6 minutes, I guess it says on the site, at a time, and then switch legs. Super simple, you'll find a difference, and that's about it. Make sure that you drink water after you do this. You're bringing everything to the surface. You want to flush everything out. Don't use these if you're pregnant. Don't use them on varicose veins. Don't use it the back of your knee. I'm going to leave a link below so you're going to be able to read all about this product anyways. I really love the smell of the Contour Sleek. It smells really nice and it makes my skin, like just feeling it, doesn't feel greasy. It just feels really soft. And this is a great option to use at home. You don't have to go and make an appointment and do all these crazy treatments for a lot of money. These retail for $32 and the Contour Sleek is for $38. I will link to both of them below so that you can see what they're all about and if you'd like to purchase them. I will do a future video showing you the before and after results of this. I'm so excited now that I can use these. I wanted to wait for this video and then go gung-ho every day. I love this for a cellulite treatment. Why the heck not? It's super cheap and you feel a lot more confident, especially going to the beach, especially, you know, going in shorts. Spring and summer is coming up, so it's really, really important to feel better. You know, it sucks feeling down on yourself. If you like this video and hate cellulite, click the thumbs up button. Comment below and tell me where your cellulite likes to hang out. Be sure to click the subscribe button to be part of the Bodies After Babies community. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you can be notified when I upload my next videos. There is going to be a lot of them. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get dimple free. Until next time.